The new AI just dropped, and it might be smarter, faster, and even better than ChatGPT. This changes everything. Today I am going to break down what it is, what it can do, how to compare to ChatGPT, and where it's really the future of AI or just another overhyped tool. And yes, I have tested it myself and the results honestly shocked me. Let's dive in. What is this new AI? The AI is in the question is insert AI name like Gemini Pro, Claude, Opus, Grok by AI, the latest large language model making waves in the AI space. It's developed by and it claimed to be more accurate, faster response time, better at reasoning, trained with real-time or recent data. And the big question on everyone's mind, can it beat ChatGPT 4? Let's find out. Speed and responsiveness. Let's start with something that matters to everyone, speed. I asked both else summarize the top 5 AI trends for 2025. ChatGPT took 5 seconds, the new AI 2 seconds, and with cleaner formatting. But it's not just about speed, it's about how smart the answer is. Reasoning and intelligence. Next, we tested reasoning, logic, and contextual understanding. What's the best marketing strategy for digital product targeting Gen Z? Write an email for a client who wants to cancel their subscription politely. Create a 3-month content plan for a fitness YouTube channel. New AI's output might be more human, better structured, more concise, less robotic. Honestly, it's neck and neck, but the new AI feels more conversational and less overkill at times. Multimodal power. Where things get crazy in multimodal capabilities, meaning this AI doesn't just understand text. Some newer models like Gemini Pro 2 or GPT-4o can see, hear, and speak, react to live webcam input, analyze drawing or graphics. This opens up massive potential for content creators, teachers, designers, and even developers. Use cases that will blow your mind. Let's talk about real-world use cases, things you can do today with this AI that weren't possible before. Real-time customer service chatbot. Upload company data and it becomes your AI support agent. YouTube script plus thumbnail plus voiceover. One-click short from content generation. Code debugger plus visual explainer. Explains your Python errors with diagrams. Brainstorm instant for business. Comes up with the product names, social captions, pricing ideas. Teaching assistant. Explains quantum physics at the 5th grade level and tests your understanding. If you are not using AI like this, you are falling behind. ChatGPT versus the new AI. Pros and cons. ChatGPT is fast, new AI is faster. ChatGPT is strong, new AI is stronger. ChatGPT is limited, the memory power, and the new AI model ongoing memory if supported. ChatGPT has free version, the new AI model has 2. ChatGPT has a strong GPT-4, the new model have a stronger if Gemini or Claude. It's not about who wins, it's about who fits your workflow, but it's clear ChatGPT has competition now, serious competition. So, is this new AI better than ChatGPT? In more areas, yes. In others, not yet. But the point is, AI is evolving the lightning speed, and the tools that feel futuristic today will be normal next year. So, if you are a content creator, marketer, student, or entrepreneur, this is the time to explore, learn, and adapt. Comment below which AI tool are you using right now, and are you switching this one? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe if you want more AI breakdowns, tutorials, and productivity hacks.